Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom set and how you can use those custom sets in the different LingoLab activities such as LingoLab CO or LingoLab Live or LingoBingoLive or the LingoLab quizzes. So firstly, just when you have all your sets here, this view shows you name, number of terms, when it was made, set ID. You can also launch the set directly into LingoLab CO from here, and you can share that URL with students if you want them to use that set. As soon as they use the set, it becomes saved in their studying progress. So it's a very easy way to share any sets you make with them. If you want to use the custom set in one of the other apps, you'll just copy the ID and put it into the import field there, like that. In LingoLab Live, will be within Create menu. In LingoBingoLive, same thing. You just have to look for the import custom set option and put it in the box there. So very easy to use your own custom sets in any of those apps. So that's how you use them. Let's see how you make one. So let's go to create set. Let's just make one here. So we can set the language. This is important for if you want to use the text-to-speech option. You can just type them in here if you want to, or you can import them from Spreadsheet or from Quizlet. You can click the Quizlet export and copy paste to here. Let's do some of these. We won't do all of them. Let's just get 10 items. Okay. So there we go. So you don't import images into this site. You can use the image URL, or you can use the within the editing function, you can actually add images automatically as well. So let's try this. So we'll save that. And we can see now that has been made there. That's test set 2.